Ecology and functions of ecosystem. Question 1. With reference to ecological pyramids, which of the following pairs is incorrect? A. Forest ecosystem, an upright pyramid of number. B. Grassland ecosystem, an inverted pyramid of number. C. Aquatic ecosystem, an inverted pyramid of biomass. D. Grassland ecosystem, an upright pyramid of biomass. Question 2. With reference to ecological adaptation, consider the following statements. 1. Presence of higher amount of red blood cells in tribes living at high altitude in Himalayas is an example of physiological adaptation. 2. The acquired effects of adaptation pass on to the next generation. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 3. With reference to ecological niche, consider the following statement. 1. Ecological niche is the functional role and position of species in its ecosystem. 2. Ecosystem stability has an inverse relation with niche diversity. 3. The ecological niche of dominant species is broader and more extensive compared to that of less dominant species. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 4. Consider the following statements in context of levels of organizations in ecology. 1. Population is a group of organisms usually of different species occupying a defined area during a specific time. 2. A biosphere is the collection of a particular ecosystem, while biome is the collection of all the biospheres. 3. Biome and ecosystem both are affected by latitude. Which of the statements given above is incorrect? A. 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 5. Consider the following statements regarding the functions of an ecosystem. 1. Ecosystems are capable of maintaining their state of equilibrium. 2. The ecosystem's functional attributes keep the components working together. 3. The heterotrophs play a vital role in recycling the nutrients in an ecosystem. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 6. Consider the following statements regarding the phosphorus cycle. 1. It is a type of sedimentary cycle. 2. The phosphorus cycle starts in the Earth's crust and ends up into plants, animals and soil. 3. The amount of phosphorus wasted away during the farm-to-table process leads to severe eutrophication. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 7. Consider the following statements in context of ecological pyramids. 1. Saprophytes are not given any place in ecological pyramids. 2. The terrestrial ecosystems are the example of the inverted pyramid of biomass. 3. The pyramid of energy is always inverted, with a large energy base at the top. Which of the statements given above is incorrect? A. 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 8. Match the following list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct answer from the codes given below. List 1. Terms. List 2. Related features. A. Ecotone. A zone of gradual but continuous change from one ecosystem to another. B. Ecocline 2. A zone of junction or a transition area between two diverse ecosystems. C. Ecological niche 3. changes in population or community structures at the boundary of two habitats. D. Edge effect. 4. Interrelationship of a species with all the biotic and abiotic factors affecting it. Codes A, B, C, D. A. 234I. B. 3I24. C. 2I43. D. 34I2. Question 9. Consider the following statements regarding food chains in ecology. 1. In the grazing food chain, the primary source of energy is living plant biomass, while in the detritus food chain the source of energy is dead organic matter. 2. Grazing and detritus food chains are not interlinked to each other. 3. If any of the intermediate food chain is removed, the succeeding links of the chain will not be affected largely. 4. The extinction of a top carnivore like tiger in an ecosystem can affect the relative abundance of herbivore species. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1, 2 and 4 only. B. 1, 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 4 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question 10. Consider the following statements regarding the nutrient cycling processes. 1. Water cycle and carbon cycle are examples of gaseous cycles, in which the reservoir is atmosphere or the hydrosphere. 2. Nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium and magnesium circulate by means of the sedimentary cycle, where the reservoir is the Earth's crust. 3. Nitrogen fixation on Earth is accomplished only through microorganisms. 4. Most gaseous cycles are generally considered as imperfect cycles. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1, 2 and 4 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 only. D. 4 only. Question 11. Consider the following statements regarding ecological succession. 1. Climax community is the initial or first stage of ecological succession. 2. Primary succession happens when a new patch of land is created or exposed for the first time. 3. Wildfires increase the pace of ecological succession. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 2 only. D. 1 and 3 only.